What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Ross Reviews. And today we are finally getting the Falcon sorted. So the F6 is getting the diff bushes put in, getting the rear control blades sorted as well, and I'm just so stoked to get this work done and have this car hopefully by the end of today running really sweet. So I'm actually here today at DIY Garage in Malaga here in Perth, and pretty much a lot of you guys recommended me to come here. They're pretty much one of the cheaper options as well. So yeah, I figured I'd come down. We'll film a bit of the install. I've asked the guys if I can film around in the shop. They said it's all good. So I'm actually gonna get them to do it because this is actually a massive job. Pretty much the whole rear end's gotta come apart. It's like a 4-hour job roughly. We'll see how quick they can do it. Anyways, but anyways, I'll show you the parts we got here. The SuperPro bush kit. So there's obviously 3 bushes that need to be done, and pretty much every single one was toast. So I just got the whole kit. The main one there, you got your 2 smaller ones, and then I actually went ahead and got SuperPro Rear Control Blade. And I actually couldn't believe how big this was. When I looked at it before, I thought it was a lot smaller. So I'm hoping that's the right one. But it is meant to be. Yeah, let's just hope that is the correct one. So pretty much just waiting to get this thing into the shop now. And once we roll it in, I will show you guys some more. Alright, so the car is finally on the hoist. We are in, getting it done, so the wheels are off. He's just taking apart the brakes at the moment. And yeah, just getting it ready to detach that rear end. So yeah, we'll just continue and I'll update you guys as we go. And just showing you guys this dodgy transcooler that I was talking about before. It looks like it's off a motorcycle or something, seriously. And if you can see in here, it's quite dark, but it's actually starting to rub here. And yeah, if I leave it like this, eventually that's gonna break through. So definitely need a new one. And yeah, just the way they've got this angled, it's really doing stuff all. So yeah, we've disconnected the actual drive line here. He's gone ahead and, where is it? Painted a mark. It's actually up on the top, so you can't really see it. It's up there as well. So yeah, when we put it all back together, you just line up that paint and it's good to go. It's actually not a whole lot to it, eh? Just like you said, you just unbolt the drive line, unbolt these sort of supporting.
Yeah, a couple of arms and guide her down very gently.
Yeah. And then obviously, yeah, just these ones, eh?
Yep, bolts.
Those come out, drop it down. Then the fun starts.
That's exactly right.
Now, here are the cradles for the rear brakes, and just gonna try and get this on camera. These are pretty much metal on metal. Yeah, wow, I did not realize they were this bad. I knew they were bad, so we will, yeah, possibly try and get those sorted today if we can. because yeah, that's super dodgy at the moment. They are, yeah, just extremely bad. Alright, so here is that nasty diff bush. You can see there's like a huge crack in there. Crack there as well, so there's 2 cracks in there. And yeah, it's just putrid. So we've got the diff actually out, and I'm gonna get that resealed and put fresh diff oil in it because it just needs a birthday. And then possibly sorting out these brakes. Apparently these arms have got a bit of play in them as well, but it's a lot of cash. Bloody Falcon. There we go. In the bin. In the bin.
What do you want?
There she goes.
Hustle.
We're just about to take these off, take them to the shop, skim them, put them back on, put new brake pads in, and hopefully forget about it for a while. Yeah, the upper arms here as well, they were iffy, but yeah, I'll probably leave those for now. So here we've got the 3 openings now free for where the bushings go, the new ones. And yeah, he's just standing them off now because they're quite difficult to get in, I'm told. One down. All right, so while I'm here, I figured I better tell you guys what this place is actually about. So DIY, as it's in the name, it's kind of like a do-it-yourself workshop, though they do have trained mechanics on site. So they're the guys that are doing my car because I'm completely useless and there's absolutely no way I'd be able to do this. So, but if you want to do small jobs, you know, like change the oil, you know, if you're more mechanically inclined, you actually come here, hire a hoist. You know, they've got tools that you can use, and pretty much it's just they charge you like per hour to use everything. They got 6 hoists here. Pretty much, yeah, you name it, whatever you want to do. So yeah, pretty cool. Nice little skyline. Yeah. We're getting closer. We're just getting the bushes put in now, so see how the progress is. If you first don't succeed, hit it with a hammer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hit it with a hammer.
I think this man likes hammer. I think so. Jeremy Clarkson is my...
Yeah.
Oil's not too bad.
That's not too bad. It's leaking all over the place.
Yeah, there was no sump washer, so there was no washer on it.
Yeah, right.
I think that's what's done it.
Really got no shavings in there.
No, it wasn't too bad for metal actually. I mean, it's all quite clean up on here as well. So
Yeah,
there are
sweet.
good metal shavings in there obviously, but she's going to be good. Oh.
Oh, you bastard!
I see why they call it a funny bone. It's not funny for him.
The ratchet skipped.
Could feel that.
Spanner mate.
Oh.
Tingling.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. You got that feeling. You got that feeling like, you mess up.
Walk it off, walk it off.
I would have feel like Toyota.
It looks like I owe you a JD and Coke tonight.
Yeah, we got beer and fish, she'll be right.
All right, so the main diff bush is in now after a bit of love and hammer taps. There she is. She's in there nice now. Hopefully never to be touched again. Alright, so update, pretty much got this thing back together, at least down here on the ground. Just tightening up these bolts. They're the rear control blades with the SuperPro bushes in them. They're the old crummy ones, which are absolutely toast. The diff is all cleaned up, resealed, back in, all good. Just waiting to get the rotors back, and then we'll have to put the rotors back on, and should be good to go back in. So progress, nearly there, nearly there. All right, so we are on the home stretch. The rear cradle is pretty much completely back in now. The whole thing's bolted in. New rear control blades. The SuperPro bushes kit all sorted out. Diff has been resealed. New fresh oil. Bolted everything back up. So you can see it's all good to go now. And basically now we are just sorting out these rotors back on again, put the brake calipers on, and good to go.
Good.
Yeah.
Trans is a little bit laggy, but
Yeah, right. Yeah, it was rebuilt like 30,000 Ks ago. So I don't know
Okay.
if that's just a tuner, how he's
done it. Yeah, it just feels a bit sluggish to me, like just slow on takeoff and things like that.
yeah, right.
I guess, you know, that's how they've done it.
Yeah.
Like worries. Oh, she feels really, really good.
Yeah, sweet.
No clanking,
You'd have
banging.
noticed it, yeah, for sure. Yeah, it was fucking like straight through the seat.
My half head's gonna fall out.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sick, man. No, awesome. All right, it is the next day. Yeah, things ran a little bit late. This was absolutely a massive job, and to anyone who can actually do it in their driveway, I take my hat off to you, because I would not want to have done that. So yeah, it did take a little while to get this completely sorted. The diff bushes are in though. The rear brakes have been sorted. The actual diff as well was resealed, new fresh diff oil. So a lot of work done, and it is running much better. Now I am going to hint that I am filming a collaboration with 3 other YouTubers. It's going to be like a 3-part series. I actually filmed the first episode yesterday, and we actually took this F6 on the dyno and got a base figure. So I'm really excited to share that once it's all ready. Probably a little while away still yet, but we got a base figure, and although I can't drop it now, I'm super stoked to get into the work on this. But anyways, guys, that is the video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing another video next week of the drive and let you know how the thing is driving now. There are still a few issues to sort out, obviously, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to hit that like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on that next video.